Music has no boundaries. Pakistan Global Community. चलता रहे ये कारवां.
Hey, this is your Ras Meenakshi. International Men's Day is being celebrated on November 19th. It serves multiple purposes. It raises awareness about men's health, including mental illness, prostate cancer, and suicidal rates, which are often overlooked. It also gives positive role models. The day highlights men in their roles and promotes the idea of men contributing positively to society and families. It also promotes gender equality. It encourages discussions like how we are doing about gender equality, focusing on the challenges that our men face, promoting a more inclusive dialogue between the genders. Community support on this day is the highest for men. It fosters a sense of community amongst the men itself, encouraging them to support one another and to address issues collectively. It also celebrates an opportunity gives to celebrate men's contribution to society, whether family, community, work settings. Overall, 19th of November is celebrated importantly for men's health, well-being, and promotes positive discussions around masculinity and gender roles. But have you realized how society often places emotional pressure on our boys and men due to deeply ingrained cultural norms and stereotypes about masculinity? Shame on your society. These norms can dictate that men must be strong, they should be stoic, they should be self-reliant, often leading to the belief that to be vulnerable or expressing emotion is a sign of weakness. Arey, ladki jaise mat rona. What is the meaning of that? Several factors contribute to this bias. Cultural expectations. Many cultures across the world promote traditional masculine ideas that emphasize toughness and emotional restraint, discouraging men from expressing their feelings. Socialization. From a young age, boys are taught to man up. Arey, ladka jaisa banao. To tough it up. Be a boy, be a man. Which can lead to the suppression of emotions and avoid seeking help for mental health issues, which they also have. Also the fear of judgment. Men may fear being judged or ridiculed by peers if they show their weaknesses, leading to a reluctance to express their feelings. If you go back to history, historically, roles have been placed as men as providers and protectors, and creating a narrative that prioritizes strength over emotional expression for men. Our media, our useless media, also represents men in roles that emphasize toughness, emotional detachment, reinforcing societal expectations. These pressures can have negative impact on all our men and boys, and have many difficulties in forming healthy relationships. Let us encourage open discussions. Thank you, Pakistan Global. We should talk about emotions, redefining masculinity to include vulnerability that can help create a more supportive environment for men to be their authentic self. Very recently, I think it was in one of the Saregama or Indian Idol shows, a boy lost in the round. And one of the judges, who's very well known to us and a singer whom we respect, said, "Arey, boys never cry. Rona mat, ladke rote nahi." It was so disgusting. In a moment, the person who was a god of music fell in my eyes. Very often we say, be a man, be human. Whether you're a man or a woman, do not put pressure on your boys, because sometimes you and I do not realize that in such a patriarchal society, we always think the father, the man has to provide and we will nourish. Yes, we will have the babies. We will take care of them with a feminine motherly touch. But that does not mean that a man cannot have a baby to look after. A man cannot look after his child like a baby. In fact, in today's world, when men and women are equal in every way, many men step up, stay home and look after their children. Don't look down on such people. These are the real warriors. These are the real men who make the world a magical place. For all the women out there who are listening to us, to me, You would agree, when we come of age, we menopause. As we grow older, we menstruate, then we menopause, and then every stage of our life, there is a man involved. So if you say that man is different, woman is different, it is right if you look at us independently. But the XX and the XY chromosome shares one X chromosome, which is that which is about being motherly, being vulnerable, being human. The Y chromosome only talks about physical strength. So next time you judge a man and you say, Ari, he's so sissy, or you tell a girl, oh my God, she's so manly, think twice. All of us are born with the same probabilities. Our men have such a pressure. When they are young, they're told as boys that they have to be strong boys to grow up to be like their fathers, strong and very emotionally tough. As they grow older, when they marry, they have to take care of another person. And that person today is fighting for equality. We want to be equal, right? How can we be equal if we do not allow them to cry? When we cry, let them cry too, because they also have the same tears, the same fears, and the same will to be vulnerable. Pakistan Global is doing a fabulous job in bringing so many issues to the light. But this year, November 19th, 2024, is going to be different. Let us look at our men, not with sympathy, but with empathy. All of us, you and I, are guilty. At some time or the other, we have always thought that this is how a man should be, this is how a woman should be. But God never said that. God said, just be. So in being, let us be kind to each other. Let us be hopeful that the world will be a better place because we will be able to tell our sons to cry. We will be able to tell our sons to feel. We'll be able to tell our sons it's okay if they do not win every war. We should be able to tell our sons to be strong in their mind, to love themselves more, and be a man of valor, such a man that has a human to him always. God bless you. Happy International Men's Day. All the boys, we love you. Without you, our life is incomplete. Thank you, Pakistan Global. And for all our brothers and sisters out there, this is Meenamma. And I will always be praying that one day when we meet, I will hug you as a man would another man, because both of us will be equal men in this beautiful jungle of life. Take care, stay strong, and have a wonderful, beautiful life.